you want me to keep it open, or?
Yeah, well, we're probably coming back.
Alright.
Should have more than the 1/8 of a tank the gauge is showing. Because the other day it was showing like half a. Okay, if you could look behind me just to make sure nobody's coming.
Yeah, you look good.
Now it's running like crap, and I don't know why. It has like 0 power. I'm hearing the sounds I was hearing in the back before, but its power issues is a real problem. Shifts.
Yeah.
What are we doing? 21?
25.
So I don't know why it had, that power issue back. You hear it?
Yeah.
We're heading back home. I think I'm done with this thing. I have worked on this so many days and so hard. I mean, it's been like 4 years of my life, and every time I turn around, it's something else. Can you hear it?
Yeah.
And I don't know, is it just the brakes? Is it the U-joint synced? And you put it up on a jack and you just don't hear it. I mean, I don't hear it get the thing up in the backyard.
Tell me if I'm gonna hit anything.
No, remember the hatch is open though.
Yeah, I know. That's why I have you helping.
It's really not that loud outside.
Take over?
Yeah, actually, I want you to, turn the ignition off. One of the things that I'm going to do is I'm going to tighten up the fan belt a little bit. Absolutely horrible. You ought to hear it.
No, I can hear it out there.
So I think I'm just going to go down here, you turn and go back.
All right.
Can you watch behind me? Just so.
Yep, we're clear. The rear wheels are really have a lot of camber to them.
That way to like signal somebody if they're coming, so I'm not sideways in the street. I better get back before it gets any worse. And then we can't even get it anymore.
Not that I can see now.
It sure is befuddling, isn't it? Look, when you're in the grass, it disappears. For the most part. I would agree that, yeah, there's a ton of negative camber. And the only thing that can be causing that would be really weak springs. The jackhammer, probably. That's straight. Let me just get it in here a little square in case I want to do something. Well, this may be the first and last time this car goes up and down a road. Because I'm about fried from dinking around with it. Yep, at least you got to say you drove it.
Yeah.
I mean, isn't that just a little... Oh, that's the pulling out point. Okay. Isn't that just a little bit weird, though, how you don't hear it in the grass?
Well, I mean, when you were down there, I'm kind of exaggerating it, but we can look at the footage. Those wheels were like that.
And
It was bad.
well, I think it's from two things. I think it is one, it's from weak springs, then it's acceleration, and then the other thing is think about it. If you have toe in, it's likely to push the front end up, and if you have toe out, which I think I have over there on that side, it's likely to push it down. So, because the wheels are kind of like gripping like this outward, you know, almost like doing this, where this way it's more pushing up inward. So I think that's what, so you have those three things going against you. But yeah, I'm just bummed because it's like all this work and it gets me nothing. So
Let me go lock the gate.
all right, well, thank you for your help.
Yeah, we tried.
Put the air cleaner part